Hello, my name is Nimrod Waida, and this is a video of my slide design project. For this ad and for this project, I choose the car's brand Subaru, and I found this ad. It's very interesting. About the legacy model. The slogan of this campaign is "Get the sedan that commands respect." The ad is promoting the legacy model car and the impact of the respect a user can get buying the car. Okay, we are going to take a closer look of the design at some of the design elements. The first is typography. We can recognize here that they choose a sans serif style font. The same is also centered, and the first part of the slogan is bold typed. In the design part, we can notice that the car is also centered, and that leads our eyes to it. The small logo is aligned with the text, and they together brings a professional style. If we notice the colors they use, we notice that they use cool colors in the background, and they decided to use a strong black car to call the attention, and they together create a nice contrast. Well, thinking in those elements, I decided to create my new ad. For the new ad, I put together a truck and the legacy car. The truck is bowing to the Subaru car, and this is a way that the truck is showing respect unto the car. I choose the sans serif semi-bold style font. Is the Montserrat family. It creates the same professional style. It is also bold at the first part of the slogan. In the design we can see that the logo is also aligned with the slogan, and the image is centered. We also notice that the background has cool colors, and it gives a nice contrast with the center design here. I know that the design I created is consistent with the original ad because it shows the same respect in the environment that the car transmits. Thank you for this.